Hello there. Welcome to Next Level Cubing. Today, we're gonna take a look at all of the cross-OLL cases. Let's get right into the video. In this case, there should be a block on the left and one yellow sticker facing you. This is the exact mirror of the previous case. Keep this yellow sticker at the back and do this algorithm. There is another way to finger trick this case. I call this case car because it has headlights and the other two yellow stickers look like wheels. I saw this from Cuberhythms. Keep one wheel facing you and the headlights to your left. As you can see, there are two headlights on the front and the back. Keep the headlights to your left and the right and do the following algorithm. In this case, keep the headlights facing you. Thank you for watching. Today's lucky subscribers are Delwyn Cuptong, GoGo Cubing, JS Cubing, SW Cubing. Thank you for subscribing. Subscribe and comment on this video if you want to shout out. Bye!